Imagine if every repetitive task in your business could run automatically. A new lead fills out a form. Their information gets saved to Google Sheets. A welcome email is sent automatically. A WhatsApp message is delivered instantly. And if the customer has questions, an AI agent responds 24/7. All of this can happen without you touching a single button. The tool that makes this possible is called n8n. In this video, I'll explain what n8n is, why it's becoming one of the most popular automation platforms, and why learning n8n could be one of the most valuable skills you can develop in the age of AI. What is n8n? n8n is an open source workflow automation platform. Think of it as a bridge that connects different apps, services, databases, and AI models together. Instead of manually moving data between tools, n8n allows you to create automated workflows that handle those tasks for you. For example, when someone submits a form, save the data to Google Sheets, send an email confirmation, notify your team on Slack, create a CRM contact, generate an AI-powered response, all automatically. In n8n, these actions are connected using visual building blocks called nodes. You simply connect nodes together to create workflows. No complex coding is required for most automations. Why is n8n so popular? Over the last few years, businesses have been rapidly adopting automation and AI. Companies want to save time, reduce manual work, improve customer support, generate content faster, automate business processes. This is where n8n shines. Unlike many automation tools, n8n gives you much more flexibility and control. You can connect hundreds of apps and create workflows that are as simple or as advanced as you need. Whether you're automating emails, building AI agents, processing data, or creating business systems, n8n can handle it. What makes n8n different? 1. Open source. One of the biggest advantages of n8n is that it's open source. You can self-host it on your own server and have full control over your data and workflows. This is especially important for businesses that care about privacy and customization. 2. AI agent support. n8n is no longer just an automation platform. Today, it's also one of the best platforms for building AI-powered workflows and AI agents. You can connect OpenAI, Google Gemini, Claude DeepSeek. 3. Visual Workflow Builder. Instead of writing hundreds of lines of code, you can visually build workflows using drag-and-drop nodes. This makes automation accessible even if you're a beginner. 4. Powerful integrations. n8n supports hundreds of integrations, including Gmail, Google Sheets, Notion, Shopify, WordPress, WhatsApp, and many more. Who should learn n8n? n8n is valuable for freelancers, agency owners, developers, business owners, AI enthusiasts, marketing professionals. If you want to build AI automations, client projects, chatbots, AI agents, or even start your own automation agency, n8n is an excellent skill to learn. What will you learn in this playlist? In this playlist, we'll start from absolute beginner level. You'll learn how n8n works, installing n8n, understanding workflows, working with APIs, webhooks, data processing, AI integrations, AI agents, real-world automation projects, client-ready systems. By the end of this series, you'll be able to build powerful automations and AI workflows from scratch. n8n is much more than an automation tool. It's a platform that allows you to connect apps, automate business processes, and build AI-powered systems without needing a large development team. If you're interested in automation, AI, freelancing, or growing a business, learning n8n is one of the best investments you can make today. In the next video, we'll compare n8n cloud versus self-hosted and help you decide which option is right for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.